This Thermaltake TT Premium PCI Express extender cable delivers reliable fourth-generation bandwidth, so high-end graphics cards can run at full performance even when relocated. The flexible 300mm length and bend-friendly construction make it easy to mount a graphics card vertically or in tight layouts without stressing the connector. Thick electromagnetic interference shielding and quality conducting materials help maintain a clean signal, which is especially important for powerful gaming or workstation builds. The dedicated cable guard adds a reassuring layer of physical protection, reducing strain on the ribbon and connectors during installation or transport. Sturdy plastics, reinforced traces, and solid metal contacts give the cable a durable feel that should hold up well to repeated adjustments inside a case. Clear keyed ends and full-length connectors make the extender straightforward to install, even for builders who are not used to working with riser cables.